and then the retreat just blew me away. That was just such a transformative, just a transformative moment. I mean, just gosh, I still think about that. So gosh, I would definitely recommend it because it's an experience unlike, and especially for academics. I can only kind of speak from an academic perspective. It's likely to be transformative just because of where you are, the people that you are with, who has a private chef? Like when are you ever been anywhere where you have a private chef, right? So it's likely to be just a new experience for you, and we might as well do that. And then I think you guarantee a supportive writing environment where you're going to get feedback on whatever that thing is that you're working on in a way that you haven't before. I mean, when can you sit down and write something and then like turn around and say, hey, can you all, where are you going to have that, you know? And so it's just a unique experience that I dare somebody to go to that and not come back saying that this was a transformative experience. Being something, how long ago was that? 4 months ago? It's still here. It's still here. Still. So I mean, I keep using the word transformative, but it was soulful, it was spiritual, it was yeah. I did two revisions after that, with that in mind. So yeah, so that was super important to get that one-on-one. I've been hung up on who's going to publish this, who's going to publish this. And so for me, that was just hearing her again and then hearing her respond to those questions that you and Stephanie had were just key for me.